Welcome everyone! Today I'm uncovering the OAuth scopes for Mailer123, my Google Workspace add-on. It sends personalized bulk emails straight from Google Sheets using your Gmail drafts, and now it lets you attach files from Google Drive too. I'll explain why these permissions matter, what they do, and where they're used. Let's get started. OAuth scopes are like those permission slips you used to bring home from school. They let Mailer123 access parts of your Google account sheets, Gmail, and Drive. They're all listed in the appscript.json file and have to be verified by Google, so you know your data is protected. Let's break down each scope, including how the new Drive attachment feature fits in. First up, https://www.googleapis.com/auth/spreadsheets.current only. This lets Mailer123 read your sheet data, emails, names, anything you've got, plus write back when it's time to track who got what. It's used during personalization and while the sidebar processes your sheet. Next, https://www.googleapis.com/auth/gmail.send. Without this, Mailer123 couldn't send your emails at all. It's triggered every time you hit send. Then https://www.googleapis.com/auth/gmail.readOnly. This one helps Mailer123 fetch your Gmail draft templates. When you pick a draft by subject, this scope is doing the work. https://www.googleapis.com/auth/script.container.ue powers the sidebar, the hub where you manage everything. That's active whenever you open the add-on. Now for the new one, https://www.googleapis.com/auth/drive.readOnly. This lets Mailer123 access files in your Google Drive so you can add attachments to your emails. It's used only when you pick a file to attach, and it can't modify or delete anything, just read. https://www.googleapis.com/auth/script.scriptapp manages settings behind the scenes, making sure everything runs smoothly. And finally, https://www.googleapis.com/auth/script.send_mail is a backup for sending emails. Honestly, it's pretty redundant now and might be dropped soon. Let's dig into that Drive scope. https://www.googleapis.com/auth/drive.readOnly is all about reading files, PDFs, images, whatever from your Drive to attach to emails. Why did I add it? Users wanted to include documents like invoices or flyers in their campaigns. When you pick a file in the sidebar, Mailer123 grabs it with this scope and links it to your email. It's read-only, so your Drive stays safe. This is a game changer for richer, more useful emails. And it got Google's stamp of approval on July 13, 2025. How does this actually work? In the sidebar, just look for the new Attach from Drive option. Pick your file, and Mailer123 grabs it using the Drive scope, attaching it to your personalized email automatically. You get a seamless experience and your files stay untouched. The other scopes help with the rest, like sending personalized emails or tracking who you've reached. So, that's the story behind Mailer123's OAuth scopes, with a spotlight on Google Drive attachments. They're what make your emailing powerful and secure. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss more tips. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments. Maybe you want a demo of attachments or want to see more UI features. Happy emailing, and see you next time.